So this I show you how can I make like productive and tech video and something creative video. This first Sony a7S III, this front camera, and this another one Sony a7S III, this top camera. This here 45-degree light on my face, and this light for here product, and background light, one here neon light, one here orange light. So background like neon with orange is good color grade, and my skin little bit orange, so it's like pop up. So this light for product, this light for my face, this backlight, and this Sony a7S III 2, and this I connect on C cable. So here, and this both I connect on C cable, and this top view I put here tablet. So I show preview this top, anything I shoot here. So this top video, this camera connect to on my tablet, so I show preview, and this camera connect out with my this iPhone. So I show myself like this, and I make here, and I use this for audio. This for audio like this, and all this setup. And now I show you what types of result I make and last. So this type of setup, and look background like wiring, because this I connect on light, because this always on. This is another I don't want to when I shoot and then light go down and battery down like this. So this is always connected. This is always connected. And my top camera C cable connected here, and also this one C cable connected here. So also like camera, both camera is connected with batteries with power output. So is no need to like anything like fill down, and also no battery fill down is no need any tension. So this is of setup, and I make on my tech video. So now I show you what I shoot here and for my this result. So this setup, but I love this setup. It's sober, simple, and of course wallah it's expensive, wallah too much expensive. Look at this, too much cable and like this. So here I make these types of video. So I hope if you like it. So this quick video on my second episode. So this type of I show you in within cut just one video with just my iPhone, which of course good quality for recording in this setup. So see you next Friday.